Become part of the global food demand with a high-yield poultry farm investment. The world is changing, and food is becoming one of the world's most strategic investment sectors. Growing populations, rising red meat costs, and increasing global food demand have turned the poultry industry into one of the fastest-growing production sectors in the world. Today, global white meat consumption has exceeded 130 million tons, and demand continues to grow every year. Turkey is one of the world's major poultry production centers with its strong agricultural infrastructure, advanced industry, production capacity, and strategic location. Ranked among the world's top 10 poultry-producing countries, Turkey provides direct access to European, Middle Eastern, and Asian markets through its powerful export network. As a NATO member with a strong defense industry, advanced logistics infrastructure, and high production capacity, Turkey offers investors a secure and reliable production and distribution hub. And today, Agrolidya presents a large-scale investment model for this fast-growing and highly profitable sector. Built across a massive 750,000 square meter area, consisting of 210 production units, the Agrolidya Integrated Poultry Production Complex. Within this system, investors own independent titled production units, while the entire operational process is professionally managed by Agrolidya's expert team. Modern, fully automated facilities, full professional management, 24/7 monitoring systems, 6 to 7 production cycles per year with 45-day production periods. Quarterly payment model. With a targeted 22% net yield ROI and an estimated 4 to 5 year payback period, this model stands out as one of today's strongest agricultural investment opportunities. From chick supply and veterinary support to feed management and buyback systems, the entire structure is professionally organized within a contracted production model operated together with major industry companies. Throughout the process, temperature, ventilation, and climate control systems are fully automated, while veterinary inspections are regularly carried out. At the end of each 45-day cycle, chickens reaching production weight are collected by contracted companies, processed in modern slaughterhouses under halal standards without direct human contact, and distributed to domestic and international markets. Animals within the production process are secured through insurance systems, while all operations are professionally managed. All legal permits and official approvals for this large-scale complex have been obtained. Infrastructure and construction works are now beginning. And one of the most important points, Agrolidya itself will actively operate 100 production units within the complex. In other words, the company will produce within the same system alongside investors. This model has been designed for controlled production, strong operational management, and high profit potential. This is not simply an investment, it is a strategic production and income model supported by global food demand. Take your place in this exclusive opportunity offered to a limited number of investors. Contact us now for detailed investment information. Agrolidya, Turkey's leading agricultural company.